Morning students. Before this we have discussed about the production as well as the organization of the production, means what things are necessary for the purpose of the production. Now we shall discuss production in case of the village Palampur. As we have already discussed in this chapter that farming is the main activity of the villagers of the Palampur. So let's see. Farming in Palampur. Land is fixed. Farming is the main production activity in Palampur. 75% of the people who are working are dependent on farming for their livelihood. They could be farmers or farm laborers. The well-being of these people is closely related to production on the farms. So, farming is the main production activity in the Palampur. 75% of the people who are working here are dependent on the farming for their livelihood. These 75% people can be the farmer or the farm laborer. The well-being of these people is closely related to the production on the farm. But remember that there is a basic constraint in ranging from farm production. But farm production has some controversy. Controversy means we can say that it has declined or it has changed. How? Land area under cultivation is practically fixed. So how much land is there for the farm in the Palampur, that is fixed. Since 1916 Palampur, there has been no expansion in land area under cultivation. So from the 1960, land is fixed, no more land is added for the cultivation. By them, some of the wastelands in the village had been converted to cultivable lands. After 1960, until that time, some wastelands were there which were not used for the agriculture, that were converted into the cultivable land. There exists no further scope to increase farm production by bringing new land under cultivation. And no new land can be brought under the cultivation, so we can't say that in future there is any scope to increase the farm production. Now, something is given, the unit by which land is measured, farm land is measured. The standard unit of measuring land is hectare. Though in the villages you may find land area being discussed in local units such as bigha, guntha, etc. So, the standard unit by which land is measured, that is a hectare. But in the local areas, in the villages, people use bigha or the guntha. 1 hectare equals the area of a square with one side measuring 100 meters. 1 hectare is equal to the 100 by 100 meter, means 100 into 100 meter square. Now, second one is there a way one can grow more from the same land? About this we shall discuss tomorrow.